nowhere near any land. I want to get you the latest information on Matthew. It has winds of 125 miles per hour, moving north at 10. So the highest storm surge, flooding rains, and strongest winds will be moving from eastern Cuba through the Bahamas today. The track still shows Matthew moving toward the east coast of Florida, and because the waters are warm here and the shear is expected to remain low, it is forecast to re-strengthen to a Category 4 hurricane. Now, whether it makes its way onto the east coast or stays offshore is still a question, and of course, when you're dealing with a possible landfall, you are certainly going to have changes in the local impact. So I want to show you the updated spaghetti model plot. And the computer models show it moving through the Bahamas. Notice some of the models Friday morning are farther away from the east coast, which means the strongest hurricane force winds would stay offshore. Others are still closer to the east coast, which means that we could have some of the strongest hurricane winds right on the east coast Thursday into Friday. After that, some of the models are now showing that it's going to be curving toward the east because that upper level trough will not really be able to pick it up and move it due east. Now we take a look at the chance of the tropical storm force wind. Obviously, the chances are highest on the east coast closest to the center of Matthew. But even for parts of the Tampa Bay region, there's a chance of some tropical storm force wind gusts here. The highest chances are in the inland area, and that's where we now have a tropical storm watch for Polk County. And these areas highlighted in yellow could see winds of over 40 miles per hour. The timing is Thursday evening through the day on Friday. The strongest winds of hurricane force will be up and down the east coast, where hurricane watches and warnings remain in effect. Now notice what's happening. Strongest wind speeds move away from Cuba through the Bahamas. They come to Florida Thursday and Friday. By Saturday, it's already moving away from us, and we'll have improving conditions. Today, I think with a northeast breeze, we get scattered showers and storms around. Then tomorrow, the winds will increase. And there's a look at our in-house computer model. This is Thursday near the southeast coast of Florida. Thursday night and Friday, paralleling the east coast. Strongest winds will be here with highest rain chances and storm surge potential. But on our side of the peninsula by Friday, even though the winds will still be pretty gusty, we'll have more of a north to northwest wind, which means hazardous boating conditions out over the Gulf and Tampa Bay at the end of the work week. I expect highs in the upper 80s today and tomorrow with scattered showers and storms. The windiest conditions will be Thursday and Friday, and the strongest winds right now appear to be in Polk County those 2 days. The weekend and early next week looking nice. Lots of sunshine, highs in the mid-80s, lows in the 60s by Monday, Tuesday morning. Now the latest, Maestro 9.